Hello everyone and also Webtalkers. Hope your days are going well. And today I'm gonna share something about Webtalk Pro member. I want to share what is benefit and what facilities you can get when you go to Pro member in Webtalk. I think it's an incredible facility and you couldn't find anywhere in other social platform what you are getting right now. You can do many great things here, and so I will show some of them to you, how it works when you go to Pro or Pro Platinum member. Okay, so right now I want to share two ID. One is my personal ID and another one is under my label. There is a member and he went to Pro. Okay, so the first one is, you can see, is my face, is my newsfeed, is my profile, not newsfeed, and you can see here everything. And right now I am following 743 people and people who followed me, that is 881 people. So what is Pro, you need to understand. Okay, if I click on that, or I can click also here and do see more with Pro upgrades. So you can click here or you can click here. So you can see the facilities are here, and we can get all of this facility when we go to Pro. Yes, so that's the point. Okay, so what I'll say you for the first time, that suppose I want to talk about 5 level bonus. That's the most powerful feature when you go to Pro member. So I want to talk about that at first. Okay, so you can see here, when a free member join, he can get only level 1, and suppose every day what level 1 earn and or matching point, there is some options of earning. So when matching point, that means everyday point, it level 1, suppose you have level 1 and there are 50 members, and if everyone get per day, that means 1000 point, so you'll get this point in your account for a free member. That means you will get 1 level, so it will be 50,000. yes, 50,000. okay, so that's the point. But when you will go to Pro, that time you will get level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5. That means suppose you join 50% here by your link directly, and this 50% join another 100 or more or less, and they join some other, and like this way all the members will be your referral and you can get benefit from everyone. This is the facility of getting Pro member. Okay, so next one is, what I'll say is that okay, so right now I'm going to focus, or I'm going to look at these features and what is free members get, what is Pro member and Pro Platinum member get. So the point is, suppose maximum connection, you can get 5k connection if you are free, and if you go to Pro you can get connected 10k, that means 10 million people under your label. And when you go to Pro Platinum, it is unlimited. That means you can connect with all people in Webtalk, no problem, if it is possible for you. And another things I want to show, that is Spotlight Post is an incredible, amazing, and you couldn't find this facility any other social platform, and it works incredibly awesome, super awesome. So okay, if I want to share that things, okay, you can see right now I have 881 followers. That means these people are following me or they are connected with me. And if I go to another page, suppose you can see here 1.8k people are following this person. And if I go to another page, that can be, okay, there is huge people, 7.8k people are following her. So when I will make a spotlight share, suppose I will make a post, hello everyone, good morning. So if I make a post, I can tag here, but I don't need to tag. Suppose I will on this spotlight share, and all of these people here, you can see all of these people get a notification of my post, like tag option, like tag option, like tag option. So is the most incredible feature in Webtalk, and who are pro member or pro platinum member, and within a second everyone can get your notification, and you can get more engagements. But right now if I make any post, that time not use people see my post, just only who I tag. Suppose if I make a tag, this person I make a tag, and this person and this person. So if I make this post, these three people can see, and some other people also can see, no problem. But when I will make spotlight share, all of these people can see, and of course that time they will make comment, they will give you share emoji. So it's the most incredible feature in Webtalk and who are pro member. And second one thing, suppose you have a business and you want to share your advertisement or about anything about your business, and just by one click you can send your information, your idea, all of people connected with you. So this is the most powerful feature in Webtalk and who are pro member. I covered all the incredible feature in Webtalk and some other things you can see. So suppose right now you need to pay $200 and $400, but of course you can get a discount 50%. So if you want to go pro and if you want to get discount, you can connect with us. You can connect with me or with our team. We'll suggest how to get discount here. If you want to go, you can we appreciate you can get use facility here. And for future, Webtalk is here. So hope you all understand all the things I wanted to say, and if you have any query, any question, you can ask. And I hope you all consider to subscribe our channel, and you'll support our team, and you also get connected with us in Webtalk. So thank you very much.